Is Smma dying in 2020? What's up, everybody? My name is Jordan, and in today's video I want to share with you guys the 2020 digital marketing journey of my agency. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jordan Lee. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and as always, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your questions are and let me know what your thoughts are on the video. I'm always here to help answer any questions, and really the channel is to help you start and scale your digital marketing agency. So the big question, guys, is that you're looking to start a social media marketing agency, or maybe you're already in the social media marketing, digital marketing agency industry, and you don't know if you should continue or you don't know if you should start, right? Well, I'm just gonna go ahead. Let's just cut to the chase. Let's just get straight to the point. I'm logged in here on my Stripe account here. I'm gonna go ahead and minimize myself. So at the time of recording this video, we are in the month of August, okay? So we are 8 months in, and we have grossed $81,479. That is equivalent to, well, it's not even the end of August yet. Today's August 4th. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's August 4th. So really, it's only been 7 months going on to our 8 months. So we're over pretty much a little bit over $10,000 every single month to hit 81,000. I'm not even sure what that is equivalent to. Let's check it out real quick. That's not my calculator. So $81,479 divided by 7 months, so it's about equivalent to $11,639 each month. So for those of you that have been wondering, asking questions, is Smma worth getting into? Is digital marketing, should I get into that with all this uncertainty stuff going on? The answer to that is absolutely. Great time to cop in and start joining. It doesn't matter where you're at. I mean, I started this whole agency with zero marketing experience, no tech skills or anything like that, and I've been able to build and scale my agency from 0 to 6 figures. As you can see, last year in the month of August, what was last year? Yeah, last year was 2019. We only made $25,000 compared to this year, $80,000. For those of you that don't know, I scaled my agency within months to 6 figures. I actually started my agency in November of 2018. I worked in my agency for about 6 months. Didn't see any results. I didn't get my first client until the month of April in 2019, and from there it just kept on going up, and that's why the number is so low here at $20,000 in the month of August, compared to this year, obviously. But it's not even the end of August. So by the end of August, we should be seeing about $92,000 by the end of this month. So, is Smma dying? And the reason why Smma is never going to die, the reason why digital marketing agency and for agency owners is never going to die, is because no matter what time of the year it is, whether it's a recession, a depression, a pandemic, all these uncertainties, right? Obviously, is going on with the world. All businesses are always going to need one thing. They're always going to need more customers, more sales. They're going to need their customers to come back. They need their business to stay consistent, right? They need consistent sales, consistent customers. They need to in order to leave their doors open and be able to, provide for their family and things like that. So, by having a digital marketing agency, guys, it doesn't matter what time of the year it is. Businesses are always going to need your help, and even during times such as a recession or a pandemic, businesses need marketers. They need marketing companies. Now, obviously, there's a ton of marketing companies that are terrible, and so marketing does have some kind of a bad rep for as long as I've been in this. That's what I've just heard a lot. But as far as the clients that work with me, I don't have any problems when they do sign with me. My client retention is actually super high. That's how we're able to have $11,000 per month and things like that. Right, you can't have a 6-figure agency if you're not able to retain clients, right? Most agency owners, I don't want to say most agency owners, but most marketing agencies, they're not able to fulfill their service and provide results to their clients, which is why they're not able to scale their agencies to 6-7 figures, right? They're stuck at 1 to 3 clients because clients are dropping off so quickly. So it's important to sign new clients, but it's even more important to be able to retain that client and keep them as a client for a long time. Now, going back to the topic of, is digital marketing dying? Obviously it's not dying. It's actually gotten better, if anything, because of the uncertainties that are going on with the world, and you know, obviously with the pandemic. You know, I don't even know if businesses are open or if they're closed, right? So just by having a simple ad up, right, simple Facebook ad, hey, we're open, come join us, you know, things like that, that's going to get customers through the door, right? And you're going to be able to charge for your services just to put something that simple together for a local business, right? It doesn't matter. It could be a restaurant, a yoga, a studio, a gym. You know, most gyms are closed here in California. As a matter of fact, 24-hour fitness is closed, so I don't even have a gym to go to. But there are still smaller gyms, private gyms, and things like that, you know, can use this opportunity to get more customers through the door, right? So believe it or not, July was actually my best month, and let me go ahead and show you that. July, and we'll go to the 31st here. As you can see, today was August 4th, and the month of July was my best month, guys. So in the month of July, compared to last year, I made $5,750, which is still super good. I was actually really excited about that. That's when I was starting seeing results inside my agency last year. Like I said, I didn't get my first client until April, and then in the month of July, 3 months later, we're at $5,750. However, this year, guys, as you can see, I made an extra, you know, we did it plus 200% on top of my what we did last year, right? So this month, $16,993 if we want to be exact, and we netted about 16.4K this month, guys. That is my best month of all my agency. You know, so we're in August. So in about 3 months, it's going to be my 2 years mark in having my business, right? So we're 21 months in, and it's just crazy how much numbers we've been able to do. So is SMA dying? No, it's definitely growing. And in times like this, businesses need your help more than ever. Obviously, you need to have the skill sets to provide that service to business owners, right? Because like I said, the most important part is being able to retain your clients. So, like with all that being said, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn my automated systems, I have a webinar training. All the links are in the description below. It's 80 minutes long, but it's really in depth, teaching you how to get started and use automation systems in place that I've used to scale my agency from 0 to 6 figures. And yeah, guys, I mean, the numbers, guys, I'm trying to tell you guys, it's looking good. It's good numbers, guys. So in the month of July, I'm really excited, really happy about it. The goal for the month of August is obviously improve, get bigger numbers and improve from that. So we'll see what happens in the month of August. You know, obviously I'm using my YouTube channel. I've documented my journey from like zero since I pretty much just started my agency until now. And yeah, a lot of exciting things are happening. And so look, guys, if you guys have any questions, if you guys, you know, don't know how to get started or don't know how to scale, you have a question about this video or anything like that, leave a comment below. I'm always answering questions. I don't have a ton of subscribers. However, we are close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you haven't already, share with your friend, subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subs, because once I hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to be able to go use a feature that YouTube's going to give me, which is allowing me to go live on my phone and things like that. So I'm going to be able to go live on my phone and do more Q&As with you guys and just kind of show you what I'm doing, what I'm up to outside of my little cubicle, my office, right? So it's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, guys, a lot of exciting things. And am I missing anything? Digital marketing is on the rise, digital marketing agency. So if you're our agency owner, you should be excited, because it's a great time to get new clients. Clients are looking for marketing, and you just got to be able to do your outreach the right way and get in contact with these business owners to get them as new clients for your agency. So hopefully this video was super helpful to you guys. Give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Smash that thing up, subscribe to the channel, share with your friend, your family, your best friend, your dog, whatever. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.